Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find out the battery consumption ranking on your Android phone. So if you want to see which apps on your phone consume most of your battery, you can do this steps. So first you can go to settings on your phone. So I'm using a Vivo phone. Okay, sorry, let's go back first, and here on the settings you can just scroll down until you find the battery option. So tap on that, and in here you can see this is my battery now. I'm currently charging the phone. If you scroll down, there will be this chart of battery usage. You can see day by day of your battery consumption, and if you want to see the apps that consumes most of your battery, you can just scroll down, and here you can see the power consumption ranking, a few by apps. You can click on this. You can view by system or apps, but if you want to see by apps, you can just leave it as it is. And as you guys can see here, most of my battery consumed by Instagram apps, Shopee, which is a marketplace, and the last one is TikTok. So these three are consume most of my battery. So if you scroll down, there are lots of other apps, and here this is the percentage. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.